Welcome to our factory. This is Apple from Zhengzhou Shuling Machinery Company Limited. Today, I would like to show you our company product, shred machine. As you see, it is on the back of me. This machine has many applications, such as rubber, plastic, experimental, wood, and so on. Different models can satisfy your demands. By the length of this part, blades. Main selling point is those two reduction boxes. Very hard, very hard. Here is a control pin, voltmeter, ammeter, start, stop. Okay, now we are testing our machine. Our engineer is testing the blade. You can see different sizes. We have the customized service, and this machine we have sold to many countries, such as Mexico, Nigeria, Malaysia, and so on. Now we have the long cooperation with them. We also hope to have the cooperation with the front of you. Thank you.
咋有？比刚才还短一秒喂。